Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint, Sound Vibrations, Meditations Explorations. No expectations. No expectations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos every day. I'm here every day. Why not share them every day? No expectations. Reminds me of that Anthony Bourdain show. Well, today is Friday and today is the Idealist Day. Anthony Bourdain was an idealist spiritually, just like me. In fact, he and I have the exact same blueprint. I think I mentioned that before. No expectations. Today is an unctuous day. Unctuous. When it governs the physical body, it brings the imbalance of oiliness. So today you don't want to eat too much oily food. Don't eat anything fried today. Stay away from, deep fried Twinkies and things like that. Also, what if I told you that I'm from Venus? Would you believe me? That Anthony Bourdain was from Venus. Would you believe me? That Thelonious Monk was from Venus. Would you believe me? We're all from some other planet. The idealist personality relates to the planet Venus. And also the number in numerology of 6. The great Sun Ra was also on this idealist path. So I'm going to read a little bit from him. I'm going to play a love song because the idealist is also about love, you know? If I told you I'm from outer space, you wouldn't believe a word I said. Would you? Why should you? You've lost your way. You should have nothing to say. You've lost your rights to walk on Jupiter and Mars. And even other worlds unknown among the stars. Among the stars. You've lost your rights to the pleasant things of being. You've lost your rights, your cosmo-interplanetary, intergalactic, eternal rights of celestial being. Hark! This existence is not what it seems. True, it is of the truth. It is existence. Yet and still, it is not being. If it were of omni-being, it would be. And what is called life could be seen from a different view, to be enclosed in an abstract prism, heaven, haven, hell. For shades and shadows of the inner darkness. Haven, heaven, hell. For shades and shadows of the inner darkness.